In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create drip content in LearnDash. Drip feeding content is a fantastic way to control the pace at which your learners access your material, allowing for a more manageable learning experience. Whether you're planning to release content daily, weekly, or perhaps this is your first time experimenting with content scheduling, I'll guide you step by step through the process of setting up drip content effectively. To get started, navigate to the LearnDash LMS menu on your website's dashboard. From here, head over to the Topics section. This is where all your lessons and subsections are neatly organized, making it easier for you to manage and schedule them. Once you're in the Topics section, choose the topic you wish to edit. This might be a particular module or lesson that you're aiming to release at a specific time. Click on it to enter the edit mode. As you dive into the edit mode of your topic, head down to the Topic Access Settings section. Within this area, you'll find a subsection called Topic Release Schedule. This is where the magic happens. Here, you have three distinct options for scheduling your content release: immediately, enrollment-based, and specific date. Let's break those down a bit. Selecting immediately means that your learners will have access to this topic as soon as they reach it in the course. If you opt for enrollment-based, you can time the release based on when each learner first enrolled in the course. Lastly, specific date allows you to pinpoint an exact calendar date for when this topic should become available. Before finalizing these settings, double-check to ensure that this topic is correctly associated with both a course and a specific lesson. This association is crucial for its display in the right place within the course content, and for ensuring that all drip settings are respected as planned. Having everything linked accurately prevents any misalignment or confusion later on as learners progress through your material. Once you've customized and confirmed all these settings to your satisfaction, be sure to save your changes. It might seem like a simple step, but it's easy to overlook. Clicking the Save button consolidates all your efforts, securing the schedule you've worked so diligently to set up. And that's it. You've successfully set up your drip content. Keep these steps in mind, and don't hesitate to revisit this process as you become more comfortable with the LearnDash LMS. Drip content is a powerful tool that, when used correctly, can greatly enhance the learning experience by providing just the right amount of information at the right time. As you continue to prepare and refine your courses, drip scheduling can serve as a cornerstone for engaging and effective instructional design.